Ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries and my dear young colleagues, let us share a moment of deep pride, a victory not personal but national. Quetta has commanded the lead. It has outshone every city in honoring Allama Muhammad Iqbal this year. This city has stood up for the soul of the nation while Pakistanis are busy in family vlogging and watching unrealistic dramas. Why this moment is so vital? Because we are in serious crisis of mind management. Our focus is under attack. Social media is controlling us while using humans' dark psychology. This digital distraction is true enemy of wisdom. Our fathers fought for freedom from one power. We now surrender our minds to countless screens. But look at this assembly. This gathering is a powerful answer to all mind manipulators.
आईना अय्याम में आज अपनी अदा देख
It confirms that the flame of Iqbal and the fire of his thought will never be put out by any screen. उठकर बज़ में जहाँ का हो रही अंदाज है, मशरक़ व मग़रिब में तेरे दौर का आगाज़ है. Each soul gathered here carries a spark of that larger vision. And friends, let's face a modern truth with clear eye and a bold heart. AI is not threat, it's a bridge between progress and purpose, between raw knowledge and valuable wisdom, between the mind of machine and the beating soul of humanity. If you listen closely, you will feel Iqbal's fire still burning, not just in books, but in every honest question you ask about progress, purpose, focus, and reality of life. He called us to break the limits of fixed belief and to think, imagine, and create with courage. Yes, the currency of communication has changed, but the worth of his deep message is still alive. Please translate his fire, turn his wisdom into top trending short films, podcasts, and reels. Inshallah, he will guide you better than your top trending YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagrammers. Unfortunately, today, the vast majority of Pakistanis don't read even a single book in entire year. We must revive the culture of reading and let wisdom travel through every medium, voice, screen, and story. This is the task Allama Iqbal placed before us. खिर्द को गुलामी से आज़ाद कर, जवानों को पीरों का उस्ताद कर. Each soul gathered here carries a spark of his vision. Friends, we must face this modern reality. AI is not just code. It can be a bridge between progress and purpose, between knowledge and wisdom, between the calculating mind of machine and the dreaming soul of humanity. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. Today we gathered with Tameer-e-Noor Trust Balochistan, Iqbal Academy Pakistan and Rahmatul Lil Alameen Club to celebrate Iqbal Day, but the nation is digitally hypnotized. Our eyes shine, but our heart feel empty. We are totally lost in screens. In this season of scattered focus, the voice of Iqbal still speaks through time. He calls you to open your eyes. आँख खोल, ज़मीं देख, फलक देख, फिज़ा देख, मशरक़ से उभरते हुए सूरज को ज़रा देख. समझेगा ज़माना तेरी आँखों के इशारे, देखेंगे तुझे दूर से गर्दों के सितारे. Allama Muhammad Iqbal's Shahi is not just a poetic idea. It is our roadmap for survival and success. His eagle teaches us to fly high, to stay fearless, and to live with dignity and purpose. It reminds us that the real strength comes from self-belief, not dependence, from effort, not ease. किया मैंने उस खाकदां से किनारा जहां रिस्क का नाम है आबोदाना. झपटना पलटना, पलट के झपटना, लहू गर्म रखने का है एक बहाना. परिंदों की दुनिया का दरवेश हूं मैं कि शाही बनाता नहीं आशियाना. I'm a humble student of Allama Iqbal. To me, he was not just the poet, but the first life coach of a sleeping nation and a protector of our inner souls. He reminded us that machines calculate, but we dream, feel and create. है दिल के लिए मौत, मशीनों की हुकूमत, एहसास मुरव्वत को कुचल देते हैं आलात. Today's youth are often labeled as single-dimensional mind, popcorn brain, and scattered souls. I refuse to accept that. We must rekindle the flame of Iqbal's Shahi, the eagle that fly at the storm, find peace in purpose and draw strength in struggle. उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. My dear young Pakistanis, the eagle does not beg for Wi-Fi. Let your eagle mindset be the unbreakable firewall against all digital distractions. Iqbal's message was never about rejecting modernity. It was about recentering humanity. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी हैं. I spent half of my life shaping young hearts to rise. Being the founder of the National Youth Assembly, I am seriously feeling that youth of today is moving in a digital storm. Fast trends, quick scrolls, and constant noise. Yes, Allama is not outdated. He is only waiting to be retranslated. Look at modern eagle of Iqbal, Zoran Mamdani, who at a remarkable young age rose to become New York's mayor. I'm old enough to remember life before Instagram, yet young enough to watch Gen Z and Gen Alpha lost in screens. We were made to be eagles, to dream big, think deep, and keep our spark alive. But somewhere while scrolling, we lost our wings. Allama Iqbal saw far behind his time, calling for a world where technology serves humanity. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी हैं. अगर खो गया एक नशे मन तो क्या गम, मुकामाते आगो फगा और भी हैं. तू शाही है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं. He reminds us that power without ethics is power without purpose. His vision of balance between innovation and modernity gives us a guide to face question of privacy, bias and automation with wisdom. नहीं है तेरा नशेमन कसर सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. As machines grow smarter, he teaches us to stay connected to our own spirit. Rise like an eagle in thought, in action, and in reflection of your highest self. Look within, discover the light of your soul, and feel the closeness of the Creator. True beauty lies in the heart, not in appearance. Something often missing in the West. हवस ने कर दिया टुकड़े टुकड़े नोहे इंसान को, अखुवत का बयां हो जा, मोहब्बत की ज़बां हो जा. ये मौजे नफ्स क्या है, तलवार है, खुदी क्या है, तलवार की धार है. Let's imagine a Pakistan where technology is a teacher, not a trap, where innovation walks with ethics, where algorithms meets awakening. Remember, a nation can build great towers of technology, but if hearts turn cold, justice dies and wisdom fades. That's why we must understand the science of the soul and bring Iqbal's message of life to the digital world. Let Quetta become not only host of this conference, but a birthplace of new vision where Iqbal's dream meets the digital dawn. मैं अल्लामा इकबाल के एक सादा से स्टूडेंट की हैसियत से आज के इस दौर में कुछ अपनी टूटी फूटी गुजारिशात के साथ हाजिर हुआ. मुझे यकीन है कि आज के ज़माने में जब जनरेशन जी और अल्फ़ा को पॉपकॉर्न ब्रेन, डिजिटली डिस्ट्रैक्टेड सोल और वन ट्रैक सिंगल डायमेंशनल माइंड का ताना मिलता है, वैसे में वो अल्लामा इकबाल के तसव्वुर शाही से इस्तिफ़ादा करके ना सिर्फ अपनी ज़ात को तामीर कर सकते हैं, बल्कि पाकिस्तान के सब जलाली परचम की सरबुलंदी का ज़रिया बन